I still feel that I still have to learn a little more in value field setting, which is required for all data analysis. But thanks to Rajesh that he has enlightened me with so much of knowledge that now I was able to do the data analysis on my own, which was lacking in me when I started learning advanced Excel because I was not knowing that what is the power it has, but it has a great power. I must thanks to him for his patience, for dealing with me, understanding it. He could able to he has a persistence, he has a perseverance. He never said come back to me that why you are doing this, why you are doing that. But later on, he only recommended it that yes, you are going very fast. Initially, I was worried that you could able to take it up or not, but after third, fourth classes, we could able to see the change in me. And of course, one thing which I want to tell you is that it is not just that what we need to learn is final. You have to do the practice. So practice more, then only this will become more. It has a meaning later then because the practice only makes you more perfect. And that is all. That is all. And I'm definitely going to go back to it if I require any more, further advanced training in value field setting or advanced Excel. I'll definitely come back to him. I'm not going to go anywhere. He has a different, altogether a different blend of training material which can make the training very easy. The knowledge becomes very easy to you. Otherwise, what will happen is that you have to tap this, you have to do that, you have to do that. But he has made it very simple, very, very simple. He has made it in such a way that